In this video, you will learn about how to send a telepathic message to someone you desire. Are you excited? I'm sure you are. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And those of you who are new here, I am AJ. I am a law of attraction coach and I help people manifest their goals, desires and dreams using the law of attraction, power of subconscious mind, guided meditation, and there are a lot of resources available on my YouTube channel on manifestations and achieving your goals. You go through those videos, use them, or you can check my website awesomeaz.com, where you will get hundreds of success stories and free resources to work on your dreams. Now in this video I'm giving you a powerful technique to send telepathic message to someone you desire. Now many people think that whether telepathy really works or not. Telepathy is all about when you are a vibrational sync with someone else, where you feel or think about something and that person also feels and think about the same thing, and they either talk to you or they feel the same way, or they called you or they text you, and they are feeling the same feelings or vibration at that point. Now many people thinks that telepathy is something mystic or something psychic or something very different or unique. The answer is no. All of you are having telepathic experiences, and I know many of you are having telepathic experiences with your loved ones. If you have already having telepathic experiences, or if you have experience of telepathy with your loved ones, then do let me know in the comment section that yes, AJ, I've experienced it. But because most of you are not consciously aware about it, it always happened by default. Like it happened sometime and you feel that okay, this was a telepathy, or this was a telepathic thing experience happened with me. Or when some of your loved ones, they said the same thing, then you feel that oh, it's telepathy. But today I am giving you the process where you are going to apply a technique through which you test it and which will help you communicate with your loved ones even in the vibrational form. Now how it works? Remember, you are energy and every single person in your life is also energy. In fact, everything in the universe is energy. And when you have some particular thought form in your mind and you hold it intensely, this thought form has the vibration to transmit and connect with that person. And if you do it intentionally with strong feelings, you telepathically connect with their vibration and they also feel the same way. Same way, many a times your loved ones feel certain things and you feel it. Like many a times you are away from home and you feel that there is something, you feel like talking to your parents or talking to your brother or sister, and you feel little worried sometimes you feel happy about some good news you expect, you call them up and they give you a good news, or sometimes you are a bit worried about them and then you call them up and you realize their health is not fine or something is going wrong. Same way, maybe with your boyfriend or girlfriend or husband or wife, it happened that you have some plan in your mind and they also have the same plan. Like you are thinking about going for a movie or going to some particular place, and even before you shared or the moment you speak out, they said the same thing. Or many a times they talk about it even before you share it, and then you said, oh my god, this is what I wanted to tell you. So it was happening unconsciously. Today what you are going to do? Today you are going to do it consciously. Now I want you to choose a person, especially a person with whom you have a close relationship, like a loved ones, maybe a family members, a close friend, or your boyfriend, girlfriend, or husband, wife, someone with whom you have a strong relationship, so that the bond is there. And especially choose a person with whom you haven't spoken for some time. maybe from few months or few weeks, you haven't spoken with them. So what you can do today, maybe at night before going to sleep, or maybe sometimes in the day, you relax yourself and first think about that person and remember some good times with that person, like some fun time, some happy time, some joyful time. This is to build the bonding between you and that person. Think about some joyful time with that person, good times, times where both of you had happy moments. And then you can set this intention that whether you ask the person to text you or call you, or even you can set a particular intention, like you think about a plan that you want them to discuss with you, and think about intensely, like maybe going for a holiday, going for a vacation, or going for a movie, or reading a particular book. And like for example, you have a particular book in your mind and you love that book, so you first remember about this person and think that they are going to talk about that particular book with you. And then you think about it intensely, happily for 2, 3, 4 minutes, at least for 3 minutes. Think about it and just release that thought. Same way, if you want to talk about some particular topic, you can think about that topic. If you want to plan a vacation, for example, you have a close friend of you with whom you want to go for a vacation, but both of you are busy in your life, not talking to each other, and you know that going to that place would be a fun time. So you think about that person and you plant this idea in your mind that yes, we are going to speak within next few hours, or maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and we are going to plan this vacation about this particular place. And the amazing thing is, in most cases, if your intention is strong, if your energy is strong, then within just 24 hours you get a message or a call or something from that person, and you start talking and he or she will talk about that exact plan. In some people's cases it may take 48 hours, for very few people cases it may take little longer. Otherwise within 48 hours most of you going to get this thing, going to experience this power of telepathy, telepathic message. So I want you to take some time today. First, choose the thing that you want to discuss with the person. Second is choose the person. Third is sit comfortably. First, recall a happy time with that person. Be happy, be joyful, recall a good time so that the bond between two of you will get aligned, and then implant that idea about a movie or about a vacation or about something specific or some particular plan or reading a book or talking about a book. Think about it and thus release it in the universe and just be happy. Don't think about how it works, how things works, how it going to get manifested. Just be happy in your way and boom, you are going to manifest it. And if this video has inspired you to try it, do let me know in the comment right now that AJ, I am going to try it for sure. And when you get the message or when you get the evidence and this telepathic message will work for you, come back and share your experience in the comment section. Try this interesting technique and get amazed by the way your mind works. So thank you. Awesome Tribe. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification for amazing videos like this, amazing tools, techniques and interesting process like this. And if you want to learn more tools and processes to make your life awesome, to manifest your goals, desires and dreams, then you can join my 22 days WhatsApp program, Make Your Life Awesome. Check the link in the description section and start your journey. Thank you. This is Awesome AJ.